Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to avoid highways on Apple Maps. You have to start by open Apple Maps application, and then you need to write your destination. So let me select something. Let's say this one. So we click to select the mode, and now we use a car, so we can click the avoid. Click on it, and right here we have highways, the second line, and to enable it we need to tap on time at the slider if the slider have empty background. We just enable it, then click at the check mark, and we did it. But right now my region is United States, that's why I see highways and I can avoid it. If I switch, so if we go to the language and region and switch my region to Poland, okay, so we have region Poland, and if we return to the Apple Maps, we will have not highways, but okay, maybe I need to reopen the application. So we will have maybe I need to do this again, because it was before I switched to United States it was motorways, not highways, so that's why I tell you that I used United States, but I don't know why it just I still have highways, not motorways. Maybe it will change later. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.